What's going on, guys? We start off the weather forecast as a big northeastern possible hitting several southeast states next week. And what I mean by several, I mean like 2 or 3, maybe 4. So this is the latest GFS run. You can see 534 the bar coming down to the south, curving, eventually spanning over South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia. Georgia. You can see rain coming down, so it's still curving. That's what I want to show y'all. Yeah, it's still curving. But watch this. It can be several inches of heavy snow that will fall from the beach of Virginia up through I-77, I-40, Central South Carolina, Central North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, covering North Carolina, almost South Carolina. And this can last a day of just heavy snow. Let's check the latest Euro. They're showing it starting more up near Arkansas and then curving down like that. And then hitting coastal areas. Barely, maybe a couple hours of snow for South Carolina, but it hits all the way to Myrtle Beach and then heads out to sea. If that happens, it could bring blizzard conditions near the line of like Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York, and severe weather definitely possible. Then next week, a week after, there's another potential of another winter storm. So several rounds. This is the Canadian. They're showing that case scenario where it forms in still in our no. That last one, my bad. That last one I just showed y'all, that was Missouri. It forms in Missouri. This one forms in Arkansas. Comes down like I was showing y'all, hitting Panhandle, Florida, southern Alabama, southern Mississippi, southern Louisiana, southern Georgia. And then you can see this start to shape in. It could bring a day or it could bring a couple days of snow, which is 2 days. Now, is it gonna be cold enough? Let's change the color of this. I like colors change every now and then. Here, we'll go blue. So you could see up north, our jet stream is heading this way, and it's colliding with a low pressure coming down all the way to Missouri. And then it's gonna form right here, if it does, and head this way, bringing several inches of snow possible for the south of the Carolinas. Hitting the low county, the beaches of South Carolina, North Carolina. So this could definitely, then the week after, there is another potential of another winter storm coming in from the north and then forming southern Texas. Almost near, no, the west of Texas, almost more near Mexico. So that's definitely something to watch. Is it going to be cold enough, though? Is it going to be cold enough? Let's check the temperature. Alright, so let's make sure I get the temperature. Alright. So right now, it's cold. I don't think it's that cold. Canadian's tripping, because I know where I stay, it's not that cold. Let's check the GFS. 17. Oh, that was... Okay, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line. Matter of fact, we're going to do this day like I did yesterday. We're going to go to the southeast. I'm going to go back to the radar for a second. And y'all going to see why. Forecast models. We'll go to the southeast. Because this is mainly where it's going to hit. Mainly South Carolina and North Carolina. And parts of the Panhandle, Florida, Jacksonville Beach, definitely possible. Pensacola, some ice possible in this storm. Not much. Not as much. But blizzard conditions are definitely possible. Now watch this. It's going to form like Missouri. Come down. And curve, bringing snow from here. That's what the GFS is kind of showing, and then a little bit of North Carolina. Like, I meant Virginia. My bad. So this would definitely bring several inches. It could bring several inches through the I-40 corridor and the I-77 corridor, South Carolina heading in North Carolina. So that is definitely possible. So y'all can see this. There's gonna be a low pressure forming in Arkansas and Missouri. It's gonna head down. They get bigger? They must have just updated it because they got way bigger. Alright. Well, now it's affecting more of the Carolinas, Panhandle, Florida, southern Georgia, up near West Virginia, and even Pennsylvania, like I said. Pennsylvania, definitely possible. That's the GFS. So, they must have just updated it because that got way bigger. This is still showing that case scenario, but it shows it forming way more up north, so they just updated the models. It's showing it forming in Kentucky, then heading down to the Carolinas. Barely hitting Virginia Beach. Then it hits the Raleigh from Charlotte to Raleigh, and then leaves western North Carolina out. And Canadian is kind of showing a several day snowstorm. Bringing rain, but a low. This is a 1012 millibar. I forgot how to say that, but it's strong. I'm gonna highlight that. I'm gonna highlight. It won't let me. It won't let me. That's fine. Alright, well, that's definitely bringing heavy to light rain, moderate rain for the Panhandle, Florida. Not showing snow. Not showing snow, but it's definitely possible. It's gonna be cold. And then it shows it forming up here and parts of there, like Georgia, Kentucky, Western North Carolina, Nashville, like Tennessee, border from Tennessee to Western North Carolina, and then Kentucky, Virginia, and then it heads down, bringing a all-out snowstorm for the Carolinas and Tennessee, for Georgia, Alabama, a little bit in Mississippi and Louisiana. So, no, I gotta get these things right. Missouri and Arkansas before the storm heads down. So, how much snow? How much snow? Yeah, we'll see.
You can text her and tell her.
We'll go to here. Alright, let's see. Right now, there's still a little bit of snow from wrapping up for Fern. Let's check 72 hours out. You can see this. All out snowstorm is showing. Several feet of up near Boston. I don't think that's definitely not the case. It's not gonna. If it hits that ocean and heads up, it could bring that much snow because it'll be blizzard conditions. But I don't think that's the case. You might see 1 to 2, maybe 3 to 4 inches from the Carolinas to Tennessee. A little bit, maybe a coating to an inch. And Georgia, little or no accumulation. Alabama, little or no accumulation from Arkansas and Louisiana. Carolinas and Nashville and Virginia, where you can see 1 to 2, maybe 3 to 4 inches of snow. Temperatures definitely going to be cold. And you can see this. It's going to blow temperatures. Let's go January 31st, this weekend. Anywhere for the southeast from Texas, parts of Texas, Central Texas. I will get over there in a second. I'm going to cover, matter of fact, I'll just go to the whole U.S. So, anywhere from, we'll go to country. Right from January 1st, it's going to bring blowing temperatures, 20s to low 30s and low 40s and low 50s and 60s from Texas to Florida. 30s in the Carolinas, the teens and single digits, maybe even below 0 in some area of the Carolinas. Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, all that line of the south from the northeast to the south. Just anywhere from negative single digits, teens, and low 30s, 20s. It's gonna be super cold for the whole U.S. You can see this. When I mean whole U.S., I'm talking about like right here, Hawaii and definitely Alaska. That's gonna be cold. But Hawaii, another thing. That's really not really. I'm gonna check the world. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. And we'll go. I'm not mean to press the whole world. My bad. I want to go to where like Hawaii is. We'll need West Central Pacific. Yeah. Hold up. Southwest Pacific. No. Eastern Pacific. There we go. Okay. So Hawaii's. Dang. Can I get Hawaii, dude? Can I please get Hawaii? Southeast Pacific. Okay, so Hawaii's mainly this island. You can see this. It's gonna be warm. It's gonna be warm because they're near warmer ocean temperatures for winter. So hold up, wrong thing. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna have to switch weather apps. I don't like this one. Alright, so the island's basically up here. It's not showing much, but we'll go temperatures. You can see this. Okay, it ain't gonna show it. Never mind, but it's gonna be warmer than regular US. So y'all be careful. There's a northeastern potential for the couple of the southern states this coming weekend. This 4 to 5 days out, almost 3 to 4, as we go through finish the rest of today. So y'all definitely be safe, man, and y'all just go out with y'all day. Y'all have an amazing rest of your day. Peace.